very long list of features for the price, including a QHD touch display, hybrid hinge and included stylus. Adding support for the Google Play App Store means this Chromebook can access a wide range of software. The metal body isn't going to make anyone think this is a MacBook, but it still feels sturdier than the plastic laptops that usually cost just as much. The system, while very slim, has an oddly squared-off look to it, because the 2400 by 1600 display has a 3:2 aspect ratio, while most laptops have a wider, shorter 16:9 screen, the same as an HD TV. There were plenty of games that did work. Google specifically recommended I try Asphalt 8, a car racing game that works with the system's built-in accelerometer and a hack-in/rebounds per game called Sacred. Both worked fine, although the racing game was a little choppy at times. You are just not going to get the kind of deep, involved gameplay you get from PC games, or access to major game stores like Steam. Yes, Chrome OS, while significantly evolved over the past few years, is still essentially the Chrome web browser with a laptop wrapped around it. But, Samsung and Google are using this new model, and its sister system, the Chromebook Plus, to showcase an important new Chrome OS feature coming to all new 2017 Chromebooks, as well as a handful of older models. These new systems are compatible with the Google Play Android App Store, allowing you to download, install and run millions of Android apps, much as they would on any Android phone or tablet, with a few exceptions.